Module 15, Multimedia Forensics. Welcome to this tutorial on multimedia forensics. In today's digital world, images and videos are crucial in communication and evidence gathering. In this video, we will explore the field of multimedia forensics, including analyzing image or video files for metadata manipulation or hidden information using appropriate forensic techniques. We will also delve into hands-on lab exercises to identify manipulated images, extract hidden information, and analyze digital watermarking. Let's begin by discussing the techniques used to analyze image or video files. Multimedia files contain valuable metadata, which can provide insights into their origin, manipulation, and authenticity. Some forensic techniques used to analyze multimedia files include 1. Metadata examination. Metadata is information embedded within a file that describes various aspects such as the camera make and model, date and time of capture, GPS coordinates, and more. By examining the metadata, investigators can gain valuable information to determine the authenticity and integrity of the file. 2. Image and video forensics. Image and video forensics involve analyzing visual content for signs of manipulation, such as detecting fudge elements, identifying regions of interest, and assessing the overall integrity of the image or video. Techniques such as error level analysis, noise analysis, and double compression analysis can be employed to uncover manipulation or tampering. 3. Steganography. Steganography is the practice of hiding information within multimedia files. Steganography techniques aim to detect and extract hidden information from images or videos. By employing statistical analysis, frequency domain analysis, or visual inspection, investigators can identify the presence of hidden data or digital steganographic techniques. Now, let's explore the hands-on lab exercises in multimedia forensics. Hands-on lab exercises allow us to apply forensic analysis techniques to practical scenarios. In these exercises, we will focus on 1. Identifying manipulated images. By analyzing the visual elements, metadata, and compression artifacts of images, we can identify signs of manipulation such as cloning, splicing, or retouching. This helps in determining the authenticity and integrity of the images. 2. Extracting hidden information. Employing steganography techniques, we will learn how to extract hidden information from images or videos. This includes identifying steganographic algorithms, analyzing frequency or statistical properties, and using specialized tools to uncover the hidden data. 3. Analyzing digital watermarking. Digital watermarking is a technique used to embed information within multimedia files for copyright protection or authentication. In the lab exercises, we will explore different types of digital watermarks, their extraction methods, and the implications they have on multimedia forensics. Multimedia forensics is an exciting field that requires a deep understanding of forensic techniques to analyze image or video files. This tutorial has provided an overview of techniques such as metadata examination, image and video forensics, and steganography. The hands-on lab exercises allow you to apply these techniques in practical scenarios. In the next tutorial, we will delve into the advanced aspects of multimedia forensics, including deep learning-based analysis and video authentication techniques. Thank you for watching. Click on the link below to test your understanding of this module.